The next task on the MG6 is pollen filter replacement. Part number CU39001, available from MG dealers and also aftermarket. I got this one off eBay. First step is to remove this plastic piece all the way along here, so you need to undo these clips which just pull off, and this rubber. Like so. Join me in a second when I've removed these clips. Clips now removed, and it's just a case of pulling this trim piece off like so. And it's a good chance now to check to make sure that your drains are unblocked. Sometimes there's massive lakes in here of water, and your pollen filter is, if it'll focus, inside there, and this one is looking like it hasn't been changed for a good amount of time. We now need to loosen this section of plastic, and to do that we need to undo this 10mm bolt just here. With that bolt now removed, it gives us enough access to lift that up, and we can then see the pollen filter housing, and this just unclips like so. And the filter can then be pulled up and out of that housing. So there we can see the old one next to the new one, and it's just a case of reversing what we've just done. And there we go. A fairly simple job. A little bit of disassembly required, but not too bad whatsoever.